inspecting a floor system that's being built, and there are several things that I want to check, and one of them is the panels themselves, the thickness of the panels, and I want to check the manufacturer's recommendations on how these panels should be installed. So it's a little difficult on these panels to see the manufacturing labeling, but over there's some panels that we can take a look at. So it's kind of like cheating. Otherwise I'd have to go in the crawl space to see the stamp on the other side. So here we have the stamp, and there's the thickness of the panel board, 23 by 32, and it's sheathing spacing, and it's 24 inches on center. So this could be 24 inches on center, and this is the exposure here. And so what we want to do is we want to take a look at these labels and these stamps, and then go to the manufacturing recommendations on how it should be installed.